Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today we're going to take a look at 8 short haircuts that you can rock in 2023. Kicking things off with that asymmetrical pixie cut, followed by a hair transformation. Looks like the stylist ended up giving her a beautiful undercut. Gorgeous. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted in today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, it looks like we have someone with beautiful copper colored hair. Stylist is adding some rollers to the top for some volume. This is an absolutely gorgeous cut and color combo. Next up, we have a long to short hair transformation. Wow, beautiful bob with the pink money piece highlights going in the front. So chic and modern, I love it. Then we have this platinum pixie. Followed by another gorgeous bob. Alright you guys, if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.